There's something about it, isn't there?
That's sick! What is up, guys? Welcome back to the videos. If you guys are new, my name is Mike. So today, Kevin just called me and he said he wanted to go for a drive and hang out because it just snowed. So there is obviously so much snow, and this is what happens in Canada. Literally all the snow just fell on the ground. It actually still is snowing if you guys can tell, but it is completely snowy. In Canada, all the snow just falls all at once. It doesn't come like little by little. So now all the roads are slippery. All the cars kind of lose traction, which could be really scary if you don't really know what you're doing. But if you're in an empty parking lot and you just want to have fun in your all-wheel drive Subaru STI, it is pretty awesome to lose traction. Good job, dude! Few hours have passed since I last touched base with you guys. The Subaru's over here. It is covered in snow. So much snow everywhere. Like, look at this. All this snow everywhere. And we were looking for a spot to slide for a while, but because it's like rush hour, there's a lot of cars everywhere. All the parking lots are kind of full, but this one looks kind of open. It's kind of sketch though. I don't know. This is like the prime time to actually film something. How's it going, Kevin?
Two things. I'm just gonna put a little bit more oil in. Oh fuck, I really filled this thing, hey?
Just lube her up.
Fuck, she leaking everywhere.
Dude, this is mint. Someone's already had fun here. Ooh! Oh shit! Oh! Whoa, was that flutter? Dude, I'll go outside.
Okay.
So don't be scared to come close to me, okay?
How about I just drive and you walk?
No, dude, I trust you. You can come close. Dude, this is all ice! This is all ice! This is sick! Oh, that's sick! Dude, that looks sick! Oh shit! Holy shit! Man, that'd be sick if I can get a bunch of you guys here as well to like all slide and we all slide together. That'd be sick. Initial D stage 3, baby! Oh! Oh, that's so sick, dude!
Covered in snow.
Whoa, I almost fell. So today is a new day. I didn't want to end the video yet because I felt like it might have been a little short, or this could be a new video, I'm not too sure. But anyways, we are with Kevin right now with the Subaru. There is like a little bit of a meetup today. It's not really a meet. I guess you could say it's a meet, but we're gonna go sliding. Obviously, I wish I could have Ariana, but Ariana is a summer girl only.
Oh, it's cold!
It is really cold. We're just getting gas right now. I cleaned the windshield. Well, I tried. It's really cold, but it should be good enough. It's gonna get dirty anyways. Sage is inside too, but Subaru's gonna go sideways. It's gonna be sick. A little update on Kevin's car. He got a really cool shift knob, which I'm kind of jealous of because it's like custom made out of, I think, aircraft aluminum or something, but this is his new shift knob. It says STI and these are all Japanese characters. Obviously that's reverse and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
It actually translates you backwards.
Really? That's sick. If you guys remember, we made this car legal when Kevin got pulled over.
Ooh.
But he just took up the silencer, and it is such a big difference. Like I could feel
You can
the
feel
rumble.
it in your chest.
Yeah. Dude, it's such a big difference.
Yeah.
Oh shit, dude, there's a cop car drifting, man. Dude, that's a cop car.
Yeah,
That's a cop car, bro.
it's like you didn't see anything.
So there is, which I'm really excited for, an S13 hatch right there. I love those cars. Also, I doubt you can see it, but right there behind this car, there is a little Miata, which I'm very excited to see slide. Little update, met some guys, they all seem super chill, and they made like a little a drift line. Would you say, like, what, how'd you call it, like a toge line, a drift line at this one park in Winnipeg, so we'll check that out. And there's even a guy in a cop car, which is super dope. Look at dude, tandem. This guy's on Michelin Pilot Super Sports, by the way, the RS. He's just spinning. He's just spinning. He couldn't barely get out of that. So many people sliding. He's just struggling, dude.
Oh, he's like almost like stuck. Almost there, Garrett!
I wear it up, but holy fucking
Fuck, that scared me for half a second.
It was your own car? Oh jeez. Got pulled over, bro.
Damn it. Sir, do you have a license?
Oh! Just ripping away in his own car. Dude, guys, a 240 just hit a curb. 240 is okay. He almost hit the curb. Was that what happened? He almost hit it?
No, he jumped it, but he only hit the front wheel.
Okay, well that's good. So this is the line, I guess, here. You can kind of see its swoop.
There's a curb there too. Oh, is this it? I have no idea.
Dude, that's narrow. Dude, I wish I was outside filming that. That was sick.
Oh. Yeah, I don't know.
See? It's flashing again.
Yeah. Which is weird because usually when the check engine light comes on for like maintenance or something, the cruise control will flash too. But I don't know.
Oh, now it's off.
I can't tell. I'm just gonna go on like normal road first. It feels like what happened last time. Remember when my car died last time? After the UE when I had to get it towed.
Oh shit, really?
Yeah, it was like lost of, like, because there's like no power. No, it's running really rough too. It sounds different. Yeah, it's like,
what's your air fuel?
It's shaking.
Your air fuel?
No, like barely. Maybe we did pop a...
I think you might have popped the boost line. That's my first thought.
Do you want to look?
Yeah, pop it.
Here, you want to move the car up? Move the car up.
Probably a boost leak.
You
Yeah,
hear
see,
it?
it's running rough.
Yeah,
No, it's okay, you know where your boost lines are? Because I don't.
I don't.
Anybody know where boost lines are? Subaru!
It's only running on 3 cylinders.
No, just check the coil pack.
So the Subaru may have died. It's still running, but it's running on 3 cylinders. Everyone's checking cylinder 3.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. I just pulled it right off.
So it's just the connector.
Okay, well here's the situation.
The clip's broken.
Yeah, it doesn't seem to want to clip in.
It's just a clip, dude.
That's good news.
So it seems to be some sort of plug in the engine, but they plugged it back in. The thing is, the clip isn't really quite sticking. So we're trying to look for a zip tie to Jimmy rig it so Kevin can safely drive it home. This is literally drift galore. That guy is just sliding on some like grass in a lifted truck. The Miata's just ripping. Oh, dude. I want to rear wheel drive so bad.
Same.
Is it good now?
We're going for a drive. We're gonna try it.
Okay.
Hey, show vlog me face. Cylinder 3's working again.
Yay!
Yeah, full power. So the connection on the coil pack was came loose somehow. I'm not too sure why, but from what he showed me, the coil pack, like one of the connections of the wires I was connecting to it, was loose. So that's why it wasn't firing cylinder 3. Because there was no connection, so it couldn't, spark plugs weren't working. Ooh! Garrett poop. Good?
We're good.
We're back in business. Cool.
Hey! Sweet! Ooh!
Ooh, Mickey.
Ooh! Oh, sweet. Is it chill if I like film it?
Oh yeah, no.
Yeah? Yeah, this is sick. Oh shit.
It's because it's so icy here and everyone's been going around it. You come in here and then you just give it right here.
And how do you initiate, like through the e-brake?
Nope.
Just
Full throttle control.
power, okay.
Oh yeah.
Power over.
Oh yeah, 100%. Because the e-brake in this thing is seated up anyway.
Oh, I see. And this is your winter car? That's sick. That last rip in the Miata is deadly. Like, it completely is different compared to the Subaru.
Oh yeah.
The Subaru is more like predictable, but the Miata is just, it feels a lot more wild, if that makes sense. We're just gonna get food right now, so I think I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and join the Annie Perfect Society. Peace out,
And rise above.
and make it happen.